Hello everyone, my name is Kalyani Dhore from AIDS Department, AISSMS IOIT College, Pune. Today I am going to explain the topic Introduction to Bioinformatics and Molecular Biology. Bioinformatics is the branch which deals with the application of computer technology for the management and analysis of the biological information. Bioinformatics is the rising sun in the global as well as Indian pharma sector. This rising sun can produce immense economic heat for the growth of Indian pharma sector. It is being an interface between the modern biology and informatics, which is involved in discovery, development, and implementation of biological process, which with the goal to serve and help in healthcare sector. In the pharmaceutical sector, it can be used to reduce the time, cost, and make people to understand the complex mathematical and statistical equation in simple and easily readable form in order to facilitate drug discovery, drug development, and product development at faster rate. Bioinformatics is very fast emerging and finding a greater application of pharmaceutical field. Bioinformatics reduces all the overall capital used for product designing, both financially and manually, and gives the best result in the most effective way. The use of different software has made large work in to compact form and implementing them in optimizing technique, which is a novel approach towards product designing. Biology. Biology is a branch of science deals with study of living things. And bioinformatics is interdisciplinary field mainly involving molecular biology, genetics, computer science, mathematics, and statistics. Importance of bioinformatics. Bioinformatics focus on two main areas: data management, data analysis, which find application in helping scientists or researchers in fast research, leading to quick invention by providing readily available information with the help of computer technology. In interlinking information from different fields and lead to quick result in designing information available on paper or in form of specimen. Bioinformatics uses. The- These are some bioinformatics uses: pattern recognition, data mining, machine learning algorithm and visualization, sequence alignment, gene finding, genome assembly, drug design and discovery, protein structure alignment and protein prediction of gene expression, protein interactions. Next is understanding biological molecules and cellular process. These are the biological molecules. First, let's understand biomolecules. Biomolecules are most essential organic molecules which are involved in the maintenance and metabolic process of living organism. These non-living molecules are the actual foot soldiers of battle of sustenance of life. They range from small molecules such as primary or secondary metabolites and hormones to large micromolecules like protein, nucleic acid, carbohydrate, lipid, etc. These are types of biomolecules: lipids, nucleic acid, carbohydrates, and protein. These are four major classes of biomolecules. Let's understand each one by one. First is lipid. Lipids are organic substances that are insoluble in water, soluble in organic solvent, are related to fatty acid, and are utilized by the living cell. They include fat, waxes, sterols, fat soluble vitamins, monodi or glycerides, etc. Next is nucleic acid. Nucleic acid refer to genetic material found in the cell that carries all the hereditary information from parent to progeny. There are two types of nucleic acid, namely DNA and RNA. The main function of nucleic acid is to transfer of genetic information and synthesis of protein by process known as translation or transcription. Next is protein. Proteins are another class of biomolecules which make up around 50% of cellular dry weight. Protein are polymers of amino acid arranged in form of polypeptides polypeptide chain. The structure of protein is classified as primary, secondary, tertiary, and quat- quaternary. Last one is carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are chemically defined as polyhydroxy. In we acknowledge carbohydrate as sugars or substance that taste sweet. They are collectively called as saccharides, that is sugar, depending on number of constituting sugar unit obtained upon hydrolysis. They are classified in monosaccharides or polysaccharides. Cellular processes. The physiological control of different cellular process and activities are defined as cellular homeostasis, fundamental condition that guarantees normal function and balance of different component and structure of living organism in terms of cellular health and survival. Cellular processes such as transcription, DNA replication, and DNA repair are regulated by self-reinforcing crosstalk and interdependence between histone modifying complexes and other histone modifying activities. That's all for today. Thank you so much.